Time for an update. Here's the nice, beautiful new quarter panels. I wish they really were. We've got a ding right there. Outward, but that's not the big problem. The big problem is right here. Wham! It's got a big frickin' whopper right in that area. I'm sure you can see it in the glare. I'll have to dolly it out. That's the AMD panels for you, you know. This on the filler panel here looks like hail damage. The whole damn thing is little dings and dents freaking everywhere. So yeah, I don't know. I've heard other guys in their channels say AMD is a bomb, they're the best, and now it's stuff to work with. It's a lot of money for this stuff, and how it shows up here is, I don't know, whatever, man. Anyways, here we are. We've got the wheel wells dehumped, so now I could fit my two 9550s in there. The whole front of the car is done. Here's my rear trunk floor, and this is the frame. The rear frame is ready to go back in. I've had it in. I made a little deal for my jack, and you just set it on there and jack it up into place and plug it in. So this was nerve-wracking doing this dehumping of the wheel wells, and I could show you what the pieces were like that were in there. No, I can't, because I'm going to cut my hand wide open if I do, so I don't have gloves on. There's a hump right here in this area, and even a 275/60 will rub if you don't dehump them. I did this on the car. So these were on the car, and then I welded a bracket here to the frame and here to the frame, and then I cut this out. You know, I fit this all up, and then I cut it all out, and then little 1-inch welds. That's why it's, you know, I do an inch and a half at a time and cool it off, and it took a long time to do that, but it did not warp. And that's what I was worried about, is that warping. So anyways, it's pretty decent. Everything is epoxy primed. Everything went down to bare metal, wear brushed, even under the package tray. Back down in there. Everything is clean as it can be. So yeah, aside from, I don't know how well this is going to pick all those up, but yeah, it's just like hail damage. The whole goddamn filler panel. That is kind of heartbreaking. These were bent wrong, but I think you can bend them back. But this is, honestly, this is what I got from AMD. You know, this would have been shipping, I guess. And, you know, it says right in their thing, if there's dings and dents, you know, that's not our problem. So that'll come out. It'll work. The rest of the panels are beautiful. You know, what do? I got nothing to deal with here. But my doors are lined up nice. My gaps are decent to accept this quarter panel. They match on each side the best you can get them with this old girl. It's been through a lot. You know, the car was hit in the left front, in the door fender area. It was hit in the right rear. It's been quartered. God, I found a bent ball joint in the front end. Who knows what this thing went through, but I will say that, you know, building it off my garage floor, which is level, I've been able to keep this thing within 3/8 of an inch. I don't think anything's out 3/8 of an inch. I got just you know, a little over 1/4 inch difference in the front frame rails. But that's how it was, and I'm not messing with it. My measurement to the bottoms of my fenders is within a 1/16, so I'm really happy with that. Yeah, everything else, here's my gaps over here on this door, the AMD fender. You know, like I said, the AMD fender, it's got a pucker right here in the middle. There's going to be bodywork there. This got dinged back here. But what really made me mad was where it bolts on in the front. 3 bolt holes. The inner fender well holes are off. You can't even get a bolt in them. So I'll have to deal with that. But, well, it is what it is. It's something to work with. And when you got nothing, it's great. So that's about all the good I'm going to say about it. So, actually I'm making this video right now. My buddy is stopping down to do my lifting for me and help me with this fender. But yeah, you can see that crease. That just breaks my heart. That really bums me out, because that's going to have to be dollied out and bondoed and dealt with. So, anyways, this is the update on the not so crusty 69 Charger SE RT RTSE Janice. Yeah, this is Janice. That's just what her name is, I guess. That's how it is. So, for now, I guess next time you see it, quarters will probably be hung. And, yeah, after that, you know, the quarters are hung. We've got the tail pan in place. I can bring the frame around, set it on the jack, put it into place, jack it up into place, plug it in, and as long as it's square, everything gets screwed together then. And as long as everything's right, then we pull the quarters off again, and then I'm going to weld on my outer wheel wells. And once those are welded on, we put it back together, weld it all up. Weld it up! That'll be a couple of days worth of welding. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching.